Yang Constantino reveals getting real talk by Idol early in her career. Sobrang nastun ako. Yang Constantino looked back on an unforgettable encounter with one of her idols, revealing that what she thought would be a heartwarming meeting instead left her completely stunned. The pop rock royalty shared the story during her guest appearance on Ang Walang Kwentang podcast, hosted by filmmakers Antoinette Jedawon and JP Habak, where she reflected on her journey from winning Pinoy Dream Academy to celebrating 2 decades in the entertainment industry. During the conversation, Yang was asked if she had ever met an idol she wished she had not met because of a disappointing experience. Without revealing the person's identity, the singer admitted that she did have one. "Oo, meron akong nakilala," she said. "Kakastart ko lang noon, kakalabas ko lang ng Pinoy Dream Academy. Nag-guest siya sa ASAP. Todo abang ako sa backstage. When she finally met the artist, Yang expressed her admiration and even shared her dream of collaborating someday. However, the artist's response caught her completely off guard. Nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, idol ko po kayo. Sana po makakollab ko kayo balang araw. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, kung darating yon, darating yon. Huwag mong ipipilit," Yang recalled. "Hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Hindi ko alam kung may iba ba siyang ibig sabihin doon. Parang sobrang nastan ako. Parang yung mukha ko sinasabi, tama ba yung narinig ko? Tapos parang nag-zone out ako after. Parang nag-dissociate ako afterwards," she maintained.